Hello, welcome back to another math lesson. Today we're going to be looking at absolute values. This is taken from our integers, where we had the number line, if you can remember. An absolute value is a number having its distance from 0. So for example, I just want to put these in here. If we want to know what is the absolute value of the number 1, firstly, when we write absolute values, we write it with two vertical lines on either side of each other. I'll use the number 2 in this example, so not as to confuse you. So the absolute value of 2, what is that? Well, we can clearly see from the number line over here that to get to 0, we have to go 2 places. So the absolute value of 2 is 2. If we did a negative number, in this case minus 2, what is the absolute value of minus 2? That would be sitting here. So to get from 2 to 0, we would jump 2 places, 1 and 2. Same as in this example. So the answer for that would be 2. So pretty straightforward. What happens if we are given a different number? Let's say, for example, they want to know minus absolute number minus 2. Well, if we just look at the absolute value here, which is minus 2, we know that to get to 0 would be 2 places. So that would be 1, 2. But because we have a minus here in the front, we're going to leave that minus in. Similarly, if we had a different number, let's say we had minus 5. The absolute of minus 5, we look at the absolute value here, and we know that from minus 5 on the number line, which would sit somewhere here, we've got to jump 5 places to get to 0. So we write that in. But because we have a minus in the front, this is going to be a minus.